Congratulations! Hello, hello.
Hello po. Chinek ko talaga.
Ano pangalan mo?
I'm Antoinette Pauline po.
Pauline, paano nakatulong ang pagkanta sa'yo?
Nakatulong po sa akin yung pagkanta ko po to gain my self-confidence po. And syempre po, yung mga nakaka-inspire po yung pagkanta ko po sa ibang tao.
Ito yun, This is what this show's about, This show's about belief. That umikot kami because we believe in your potential. Now, I'll be honest. On the busier sections, some notes were not being hit. No? Understandable, right? Because sa akin, that vocal quality you have is very nice. Ready ka na eh. So, alam ko kung makapunta ang Camp Kawayan, it's a matter of how hard do you want to work for this. It's about work ethic. Ulit-ulitin natin yung kanta na yan until malinis yan. This is the gift of the show, Paulino. Another gift ng music is hindi ka solitary, hindi mag-isa yung journey ito. It's a collaboration. We are built because the people we meet along the way. That's the kind of artist we become. It's not because lumabas kami na ganito. It's who shook your hand, who gave you that warm advice in that time. Diba? So, I'm so happy for you that you're gonna have 3 coaches here. Pero, sana makapunta ka po kaya. Alright.
Ang gusto ko talaga yung tones ng boses mo. Napaka-sweet yung tones. Siyempre, I cannot see you, diba? Pero, with my back facing you, feeling ko may confidence ka. Yung sinasabi mo, wala kang confidence, ang hinahanap mo yung confidence mo, nandyan na. So now I think, dun tayo magtatrabaho. Sa confidence mo, yung stage presence mo, yun lang. Kasi I don't want to mess around with your voice. Today is the first day of the rest of your The Voice team's life. Mark my words.
Masyado naman ginagalingan na itong dalaw kasi. This is the beginning of the rest of it. Pauline, I can hear na you've practiced this performance so many times. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi naririnig ko na kabisadong-kabisado mo na kung saan ka hihinga. Ang daming mga magkakadikit na mga salita ng kanta na low notes pa. So, most of the time, pag kinakanta mo yung low notes, pag hindi enough yung hangin mo sa katawan, mauubos ka, hindi ka aabot sa... gaganyan ka. Kanina, ang daming magkakadikit, pero lahat nahahatid mo siya. And that tells me so much about you. Yung attitude mo as a performer, as an artist, grabe yung dedication mo sa art mo. And I am looking for that type of artist na willing to go the extra mile. Kung nagpa-practice ng 3 beses yung ibang tao, magpa-practice ako ng 10. Ganon yung hinahanap ko. Yung artists na hindi pwede, yung pwede na yan. And I see that in you. And I hope that you choose me as your coach kasi kung ako yung pipiliin mo, hahanap pa tayo ng marami pang kanta na mapapakita mo yung mga kakayanan mo at pwede mo pang paliparin. Ngayon, nasabi na namin sa'yo ang lahat ng mga bagay na kailangan namin sabihin. Ikaw naman, nasa iyo na ang bola. Ikaw naman ang pipili kung kaninong coach mo gustong mapunta. Marteam, Team Supreme, or Camp Kawayan?
It sounds good.
Yung coach ko na pipiliin ko is...
Pauline, Marteam. It sounds good together. Pauline, Marteam.
I think po, matutulungan niya po ako sa journey ko and feeling ko po malalaman ko pa po kung ano po yung i-explore ko. And that coach is...
Marteam! Pauline!
Coach Casey po.
Pauline Supreme. It matches.
Sounds good. Happy! Oh my gosh. Are you ready to do the hard work?
Yes po.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Congratulations and welcome to Team Supreme. Oh my God. Thank you for choosing Team Supreme. Hard work. Ganyan na dedication na i-expect ko from you, okay?